Hey guys, it's Alex with Paragon Performance. Today we're going to be installing Powerlabs on-demand engine lighting harness. It's a fairly simple install. What this does for you is it allows you to use the defrost button. You can turn the lights on that are in the engine bay if your vehicle is equipped with them. Let's get to the install. All right guys, so we're going to start here on the driver's side. We do need to move the driver's side seat as far forward as you can possibly get it.
All right, so we found that you can actually remove this seat belt trim piece here and be able to access the connector. Powerlabs does actually talk about pulling this headliner piece down and this B-pillar piece forward to access the connector. You can do it either way. If you have issues getting it through here, then I would say try pulling the panels off. But we're gonna start here. You just stick your fingers kind of in the seatbelt hole and pull it out, just like so, and then down. And then the connector that we actually need to access is this gray one right here. All right, so we're just gonna reach in here and depress the tab and unplug it. Just like so, we're depressing this tab right here. Then we're going to take our Powerlabs connector. We're going to install that back into the fixed connector. And then we need to plug these two in together, being careful not to bend the Powerlabs connector too much. Okay, and that is plugged in, and we're just going to tuck that in here and tuck it out away from the seat belt, back up into the pillar. And then we will reinstall the trim piece, installing the back side first and then just snapping in the front.
There you have it, pretty simple install. Now you can turn those engine bay lights on with the push of the defrost button. As always, like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you guys next time.